God has a benevolent plan for all who have ever lived. It is by the grace of God, and because Jesus paid the price of Adam's sin, that the entire world will benefit from this opportunity. Acts 24:15 very clearly tells us that there will be a resurrection of the dead, both of the just and the unjust. The just are those who have proved their faith now and are given a heavenly reward, and the unjust are those who still need to learn righteousness and are given that opportunity in God's earthly kingdom, a time when the earth will be restored to how it was before Adam sinned in the Garden of Eden, and mankind will be raised from the grave with all the assistance needed to be fully restored. At that time, Revelation 20 tells us Satan and his followers will be restrained, no longer allowed to deceive mankind. During this present evil world, all are condemned under the sin of Adam, and Satan is doing all he can to deceive everyone. So it would not be fair to judge those who have never learned about God or His truth. We know that God is loving and just. He desires all humanity to be saved, and has created a loving plan that will provide an opportunity of everlasting life to everyone in due time.